Knowing who the big five are and who they represent and where to find them can help you tremendously on your acting journey. You'll be able to track them, see what kinds of roles their clients book so that you'll know which agencies you'll likely want to end up working with. But not so fast, because the big five notoriously reaches out to you when they're ready for you and not the other way around. Happy Thursday, Honey Bunch. I hope your year is going swimmingly so far. My name is Nico Austin Smith, and I'm a successful actress here in Los Angeles. I can recently be seen in a National State Farm commercial, a National UPS commercial, and a National Aaron's commercial. So drop a comment down below if you've seen any of those spots. I'm here to help you on your acting journey by sharing knowledge that I've learned as my experience as an actor thus far. Experiences and advice that other people don't necessarily talk about. So if all that sounds good to you, hit that subscribe button and let's continue on this journey together. So, the big five are CAA, WME, UTA, APA, and Gersh. It used to be ICM instead of Gersh, but as of 2022, CAA and ICM merged into one. CAA stands for Creative Artists Agency. They have agencies in LA, Chicago, New York, Washington, Sweden, China, Singapore, Nashville, Switzerland, Miami, Munich, London, Atlanta, and Denver. Oh my gosh. I'd say CAA is probably the most widely and largest recognized agency. Some of their top clients right now are Jenna Ortega, Kate Hudson, and Leslie Odom Jr. Next up, we have WME. WME stands for William Morris Endeavor. They have agencies in LA, London, New York, Australia, and Nashville. Their top clients at the moment are Janelle Monáe, Thomas Daughtry, and Henry Cavill. UTA. UTA stands for United Talent Agency. They have agencies in LA, Atlanta, London, Sweden, Miami, and New York. Their top clients right now include Alexandra Daddario, Joey King, and Jennifer Coolidge. APA. APA stands for Agency for the Performing Arts. They have agencies in LA, Atlanta, London, Nashville, New York, and Toronto. Their top clients right now are Gary Oldman, Natalie Emanuel, and Chevy Chase. Next up is Gersh, the Gersh Agency. They have agencies in LA and New York. Their top clients at the moment include Catherine Hahn, Brendan Fraser, and Betty Gabriel. Now, those are the big five, but it's also helpful to know agencies that are just under the big five tier. We have A3 Artist Agency, which is my agency, and I love them so much. I've been with them for about 4 years now. They have agencies in LA, London, and New York. Currently, their top clients are Dove Cameron, Fred Hetchinger, and Matthew Lillard. Next up, we have Paradigm Talent Agency. They have agencies in LA and New York. Their top clients at the moment are Sydney Sweeney, Sadie Sink, and Aldous Hodge. Innovative Artists Agency. They have agencies in LA and New York. Their top clients right now are Stephen Lang, Kahui Kwan, and Aaron Hayes. And lastly, CESD Talent Agency. They have agencies in LA and New York. Their top clients are Aubrey Plaza, Freddie Prinze Jr., and Elizabeth Mitchell. So there you have it, a list of all of the main top talent agencies in the world. A lot of these agencies also have subdivisions like modeling or voiceover work or commercial work. Comment down below and tell me which one of these is your dream agency and why. And by popular request, I have my Amazon storefront, which is linked down below in the description box, which has all the recommendations for acting careers, self-tapes, traveling as an actor, and beyond. So be sure to go ahead and check that out. And I'll see you guys in a new video Thursday after next. Bye!